Right then guys, so we're at Henham Steam Rally and behind me we've got the stationary engines, and I don't know nothing about these but I like looking at them. So we'll have a quick walk around and see what we can see. We'll start in the middle here. We'll just have a quick old walk because like I say, I don't really know a great lot. You can read all about them if you like, but I just like having a look as we walk round. Obviously that one drives a saw, it's not sawing at the minute, so I guess it can do if we want to. Most of them have written on what they are, or they've got a little sign up all about them. But these are what they had all about in the years gone by, to run all their machinery before we had electricity everywhere. These are probably cheaper to run, especially in the old days when fuel was probably well cheap. Just running the little pump. That's a flashy one, look, with the old gold flywheels on it. That one's running a pump in the shower, look. She's a bit skinny. That one's obviously running on gas, look. Or is it? Is it running on diesel and the gas is used for that glow lamp to heat it up to start it? Like I said, what I know. But as we walk round here, we'll see a young man in a minute who knows everything about these. He's got a YouTube channel. It's the Norfolk Pancake. So if you're interested in these engines, then give him a look. You'll find out loads. And the best thing about him is he messes around with stuff, get it going, broken, and he does it in a way that a normal man would do it in his shed. He doesn't say he knows everything, he knows a good bit, but he usually gets things going and talk about how they work. Some of these guys just spent hours rebuilding these, getting them going, painting them up. They look like they would have done when they were brand new. Most of the parts you probably have to make if you need anything, unless you can pick them up second hand. Places like this sometimes have bits and pieces lying about for sale. Another pump on in there, look how slow that's turning. Pumps quite a lot of water, doesn't it? Like I say, some people come round here, they look at them once and go, well, I don't see the point of them. Well, very interesting to how things used to work, and if these people didn't keep them alive, they'd be gone, and then no one would know. There's some lovely machines. This one here looks like a small version of that one there, doesn't it? It's running away very nicely. Turning that out, pumping the water. That one popping away. Helicopter for sale here, look, if you're interested. 90 quid. Remote control helicopter. So behind that it's a nice little engine. So there's several little engines, look. Sort of pump. I remember seeing this one before, the old sheets, yeah, you could see the blades going there, look. This guy's got some bits and pieces for sale, look like carburetors and pulleys, what have you. One's generating some power to illuminate those lights. He's also got some sort of carburetor for sale. That's a dinky little one, isn't it? But they all do the job. I think these gaps are people what are going to come tomorrow, so as I said, usually the Sunday you get far more people turn up. But I'm edging my bets that tomorrow the weather's not going to be as good today, or as good as it has been today. And they're all killed. Some are diesel, some are petrol, some are paraffin. I guess the petrol ones are the ones with the little magneto on for the spark plug. But then again, so my paraffin, well, I really don't know. I wouldn't have thought so though. The old ducts are getting a good spin here, look. It's like a whirlpool created by that pump, which is powered by that engine. Guy there is working on his engine. Looks like it's got some sort of magneto problem he's taken apart. A big old handle to crank that over. It's cut across here. There's another one there, but obviously it isn't working. Probably been working most of the day. I mean, we're talking at 3:30 now in the afternoon. Some of these people have had them fired up since 10 o'clock this morning. Have a little pump. Some of these are still quiet, aren't they? Every now and again you get the little like a spit. Yeah, why not get an engine for your moggy? A turbo jet engine. Complete and running. Yeah, all you got to do is just open your boat, bolt it in, and away you'll go. You'll get down the old drag strip a bit quicker. There's a heck of a lot of these engines when you start looking at the cards the same, like Stewart, Lister and what have you. There are several. Petter, quite a few of them. Wolsey, Alan. That just looks like a little, quite modern, that one, doesn't it? That little engine. Atcos. I don't think they're that old. They probably are, as in today's terms, but not as old as some of these big old engines. Obviously this one's been running. Maybe they let them cool down after so long. Two more. These ones here are running. Look. Popping them, banging. Some people just sit, watch, listen all day long to that noise. They love it. I do like to see engines running, but I don't think I'm dedicated enough to sit all day and watch it. Someone's got a little generator on it, look. Still. Obviously working all those light bulbs. Old Lister engine working a cement mixer. Another Lister. I've seen quite a lot of Listers. They seem really common, the Listers. But that one would obviously be working a saw. There's another one here popping away. Rustin Hornsby. I think these guys are waiting for it to get dark. They've got all their lights lit. This is where you'd find Man Cave. I think that's his van over there. I'm pretty sure I saw his engine here earlier. And I saw some light boxes. Where would it be? Got the old generators. They don't look very straight on, does it, with that belt? Maybe it's not set up to run yet. Who knows? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. A lot of them build these little boxes to put all their bulbs in. Another Lister. A lot of them have these boxes to put the bulbs in. It's a Petter. Yeah, judging by this area, I should imagine it's quite a light show at night. None of them are actually going at this minute in time. They're just messing about. getting ready, I guess. They might have been running earlier. Another old light box with another petter. Maybe these are all petters in here. What do I know? One thing I do know, they all got generators generating the electricity. These bulbs, look. Plenty of them. You see old man Cave, he's sitting over there with his mates, having a look at some of his, having a chat. Like I say, he's probably waiting for it to get dark so that he can show his lights. That's what they do it for, isn't it? So they can show the lights working. So there you go. Walk down this side, some more stationary engines. Oh, that one's running a pillar drill. Also running a pump, and on this side there's a grinding wheel which isn't running at the minute, but that could be just maybe the belt's not on properly. Look how that exhaust is pounding into the grass underneath. Not a lot of room in that tank on that one for that duck, is there? A lot of them seem to have the old saw on them, hacksaw. A lot of these guys have some bits and pieces for sale, whereas if you run these engines, you'll know what you're looking for, wouldn't you? Please pour some water in there. I believe how these work, they don't have a radiator, they just have the water in a tank above the cylinder, and the water just circulates and steams off, and then they add some more water. Then again, I could be wrong, but that's what I think. They all seem to have it, don't they? Like a tank with water in. That one looks in good condition, doesn't it? So does the pump. It's quite a big engine. Sometimes I like to see what they were used for in the old days. That looks quite big, probably used to drive a big generator or something. There's where the guy had stripped it down and rebuilt it by the looks. Right, we're back to where we started. So that's the stationary engines here at Henham 2024. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.